Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be about toast, how we can show toast in SvelteKit. I will be using a library named as SvelteSooner. So it is a library created by Versal and it is a very lightweight library which we can directly import in our layout.svelte and then just call few methods to show the toast. So let me show an example. On clicking on this button, you see the toast. So this is a success toast. So I was working on a project and I thought why not just create a video on toast. So there are multiple libraries available out there, but I found this one very easy to use. So let me show you how I have initialized it. So this is a toaster component which is given from SvelteSooner. I have imported in my layout.svelte file. Then there are few options, few parameters, a few props which we can pass, which is basically theme expand, like do we need to expand or not, then do we need colors or not, then button, duration, position, and how many toasts should be visible at a time. So just initialize the component in the layout.svelte file. So this is my main layout.svelte file. Then let me show you the toast tool. This is the type I have extracted from SvelteSooner as it doesn't export them. Then there are few methods which is basically used to show the store or to hide the store. So it is not a store basically. I just named it as a store because it's a single place. Like I have encapsulated all the toast related thing inside it and used it throughout the component. You can rename it or as per your wish. It is just few some helper functions to show the success, error, loading, or async toast. What this does is until the promise is resolved, until the API gives us response, toast will be shown for loading, and once we get the response, toast will be hidden. So let me show you the component which I just show you. So it is a code snippet component. Inside it, once the copy is successful, I am calling the show success toast. If there is any error, I am calling the show error toast. So it is complaining because I have not made it optional. Let me make it optional. So this is a line which enables the toast. So let me show you an example of showing the async toast. Then we need to pass the promise as the first parameter. So let's create a promise that will basically just resolve. So it will resolve after timeout. I'm using the same logic to turn copied false. I can remove all it and can just pass in the resolve. Then I need to import it. It also needs option. So in option where we have different options like action, cancel, bubble, and all. So we will be using a loading, which is basically I am copying. Give me few seconds. Now let me show you. When I click on copy button, you see the toast. So if you want to show a success message, you can pass a success message also, which basically snippet copied. Now when I click on copy, you see the message and it gives me snippet copied. So if you have watched the video till here, do like the video and also subscribe to my channel. I am very close to 50 subscribers.